You're trying to find the right attorney for your civil lawsuit, whether it's an accident case or medical malpractice case or wrongful death case. Why should you care that the attorney you're looking to hire educates you before you ever walk into his office and meet him for the very first time? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some terrific information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. It is very important for you as a consumer who's searching for the right attorney, not only to learn as much as possible about this particular legal problem, but also learn how the attorney educates people on a daily basis. Does he offer free information? Does he give you free reports? Does he have free books for you? Does he have free videos that teach you how the legal process works? And if not, you should ask yourself, why not? Why aren't they teaching us beforehand so that now we can become educated, so we can learn more about this particular problem, so we can learn how the legal process works, so we can learn how this attorney's office works? Why aren't they providing all this great information? You see, your goal as a consumer who's searching for the right attorney for your particular case needs to make an informed decision. And how can you make an informed decision if the attorney that you're looking for isn't giving it to you when you're actively looking for it? Ideally, you want to go online, you want information, you want to get a free book, you want to get free information, free reports, read all the articles. And by doing that, you make yourself a more informed consumer so that now you can make a better judgment call about which attorney is right for you. And now when you go into the attorney's office, you now know so much information that when you ask these questions, you will already have a certain level of education about how this process works. And then you can focus your questions on what you really need to know. How long will my case take? How much time do I have? What do you think the value of my case is? All of these questions are all relevant and important. But unless you begin to learn and understand, how then can you make the educated decision that you need to decide which lawyer is right for you? So as you're searching online and you're trying to decide which attorney is right for you, look to see whether these attorneys provide you great free information to teach you and educate you before you ever pick up that phone to call. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.